Namaste student, Khush raho betiya. I am JBN Dr. Meenakshi Maheshwari, Assistant Professor in Management Department in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's session, we are going about discuss the business organization. In this subject, our topic is documentation MOA. So let's start about business MOA. MOA is the most popular open source framework for data stream mining. With a very active growing community, it includes a collection of machine learning algorithm, classification, regression, clustering, outlier detection, concept, drift station, and recommender system and tools for evaluation related to the Beka project. MO is also written in Java. While scaling to more demanding problems, a new book on MOA has been published at MIT Press. MOA can be extended with new mining algorithm and new stream generate or evolution measure. The goal is to provide a benchmark shoot for stream mining community. Citing MOA. If you want to refer to MOA in a publication, please cite the following JML paper like Richard Karwicki, Benchart, MOA Massive Online Analysis. MOA is full form is Memorandum of Agreement. A MOA is a written document describe a cooperative relationship between two parties wishing to work together on a project or to meet an agreed upon objective. An MOA serves as a legal document and describe the terms and detail of the partnership agreement. An MOA is more formal than a verbal agreement but less formal than a contract. Organizations can use an MOA to establish an outline collaborative agreement, include service partnership or agreement to provide technical assessment and training. An MOA may be used regardless of whether or not money is to be exchanged as part of the agreement. The typical format of an MOA include first one is authority, second is purpose of the agreement, next is name of parties involved and brief description of the scope of work and financial obligation of each party if applicable. Dates agreement is in effect. Key contrast for each party involved. Detailed description of roles and responsibilities. Payment schedule if applicable. Duration of the agreement. Modification of termination and signature, and last is signature of parties principal. Memorandum of Understanding MOU defines the general areas of understanding within both parties authorized and no transfer of fund for services is anticipated. MOU often state common goals and nothing more. Thus MOA do not complement funds transfer and should usually include language that states something similar to this is not a fund obligating document. By signing this agreement, the parties are not bound to take any action of or fund any initiative, and MOU may be used to outline the operations of a program so that it functions a certain way. For example, two agencies that have similar goals may agree to work together to solve a problem or support each other activities by using an MOA. The MOA is nothing more than formalized handshake. Step to written a memorandum of agreement MOA. In this first step is determine the appropriate agreement type. Memorandum of agreement, a legal document that describe a partnership and agreed upon objective. Memorandum of understanding, agreement of common goal between two or more parties. Step second, determine the parties involved in developing the agreement. Who needs to sign the MOA and who needs to be a part of its development. Step 3, create a draft agreement. Have one person be the focal point for drafting the agreement. Step 4, submit draft agreement for coordination review. Send the draft MOA out for coordination with a sign off sheet. This will ensure all parties have seen and reviewed the draft MOA. Step 5, finalized agreement. Write the finalized agreement. And the last step, step 6, sign agreement. Tips for writing a memorandum of agreement. Only use one memorandum of agreement form when writing the terms of an agreement. Keep it small. Make sure that the wording is clear and concise. Whenever possible, use the wording of the parties when drafting the mediation agreement. Agreement should strive for balance. A sandwich model can be useful. Start with both parties agree, then state which each individual agrees to, then close with both parties agree. Balance is not that each party has the same number of bullet points, but that what is expected of each in the future has a sense of balance for them. Agreement should be written in positive language. For example, state what someone will do, not what they will not do. Agreement should be specific. As much as possible, address who, what, when, and how questions. Careful reality check should be done with the parties to ensure that the terms of the agreement are realistic and within their scope of authority. Carefully review each items in the terms of agreement with both parties to ensure that each item is correct and appropriate. Capture each party's intent. You should read each item out loud and ask each party if the wording is accurate. Each party should be able to understand their responsibility in the terms of the agreement. Keep in the mind that the memorandum of agreement is a settlement agreement. Therefore, appropriate person will need it to clarity understand to the terms of the agreement in order to effectuate the contents of the agreement. We absolutely sure that all parties sign the agreement. All parties should receive a written copy of their agreement before they leave the session. Main tips of MOA. MOA tends to be used for simple common cause agreement which are not legally binding. MOA on the other hand establish common legal that establish a conditional agreement where the transfer of fund for service are anticipated. These are the MOA documentation of business organization. I repeat, what is MOA? MOA is the Memorandum of Agreement, is a written document describe a cooperative relationship between two parties wishing to work together on a project or to meet an agreed upon objective. An MOA serves as a legal document and describe the terms and detail of the partnership agreement. An MOA is a more formal and verbal agreement but less formal than a contract. Organization can use an MOA to establish. The typical form of MOA include first one is authority, second is purpose of agreement, next is name of parties involved and a brief description of the scope, financial obligation of each party, if applicable, dates agreement is in effect, payment schedule, duration of the agreement and modification of termination. Signature of parties principle. So memorandum of understanding, there are in step involved, determine the appropriate agreement type in step first. In step second, determine the parties involved in developing the agreement. And step third, create a draft agreement. Step 4, submit draft agreement for coordination review. And step 5, finalized agreement. Step 6, sign agreement. In this session, important question asked in the examination, describe documentation is MOA. Thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur, and if you have any queries, any questions, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.